जट यमला पगला दीवाना, मैं जट यमला पगला दीवाना, ओ रब्बा इतनी सी बात न जाना के ओ मैनू प्यार कर दी है, साडे उत्ते वो मर दी है।
The film is a comedy, as the title goes, Yamla Pagla Divana, and people have seen the promos, so and everybody's reacted really positively, and it's a comedy after a long time I'm doing, and especially it's more special because it's the 50th year for my dad in the industry, so we three are coming back together.
एक पैग पीने को कहा था, पूरी बाल्टी पी ली। जट रिस्की आफ्टर बाल्टी विस्की।
Basically, the story of the film is about a brother whose name is Paramveer Singh, who lives in Vancouver, who by accident comes to know that his father is in Banaras. And he had not seen his father since he was a child because the father had run away with the younger son. So he goes from Vancouver to Banaras. From Banaras, the movie moves on to Punjab. When he comes to Banaras, it's basically about bumping into two guys who are basically thugs of Banaras. That is Dharam Singh and Gajodhar Singh. Now, Gajodhar Singh is my character and Dharam Singh is my dad's, and we both are like buddies. We discuss anything under the sun. We talk about everything, share all our secrets, and that's the kind of relationship there is. And how, when this man comes from Vancouver to meet us, I don't know he's my brother, and how I take advantage of that. And my father doesn't know what to tell me, and so we use him for our own needs, and that's how the movie moves on.
वो दिन गए जब टैंकी पे चढ़ने से बात बन जाती थी। और सरदार तू खाम का बीच में घुस जाता है यार। जट यमला पगला दीवाना, मैं जट यमला पगला दीवाना, हर रब्बा इतनी सी बात न जाना। अबे धर्म, तू बहुत बड़ा कमीना है यार।
Working with my dad is the most amazing thing that's happened in all my career. To work with someone who is, first of all, he's my father. He's a legend, and then he's the most versatile actor we ever had in our industry. He's done all sorts of films, and I don't see anyone who could match up to his caliber.
तुम्हारी तो शादी होने वाली है? नहीं हो रही शादी, तो फिर मैं किसकी शादी में आया? बहुत सारा कंफ्यूजन है।
My dad and my brother are good dancers because an actor has to enjoy what he does, not be perfect in his dancing manner, because I think 99.9% people in the world can't dance. There's just 1% of people who do that, or 0.5%, whatever. But I think people love the way they dance, people enjoy what they do, because that makes them, be a part of what they're seeing on screen. So I think they're great dancers, and it was great fun. I mean, I've done this song of his, Jat Yamla Pagla Divana, when I went on shows, and the whole auditorium, everybody, the audience would just go mad, and they would just stand up, and there'd be huge roar in the stadiums because they used to love the song so much. I don't think my brother's scared of my dad. My brother we respect our parents, and definitely when you're an infant and when you're a child, you are scared of your parents because you don't understand why they're getting angry with you. But when you grow older, you realize it's all about understanding what they're saying is right and wrong and respecting them for that. So definitely you have to keep that respect. But I'm the youngest in my family, so I end up taking advantage of that sometimes, and I do say or do things which would be rather difficult for my brother to do, but for me it's easier.
तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? वहाँ जाके लड़ क्यों नहीं रहे?
अरे जब धर्मेंद्र और सनी देओल लड़ रहे तो बॉबी देओल क्या करे?
It was great being in Punjab. We were there for 45 days, and every day of those 45 days, all the fans would gather at 6 o'clock in the morning, and before we left for shooting, and we should all get out of our cars and meet them. Especially my dad, he was unwell during those days, but he still would get out and meet everybody, and that's the kind of person my dad is. And when he used to come back in the evening, there was the same amount of crowd waiting to greet us again. So there's a lot of love there. But then we were shooting in Maheshwar, which is near Indore. It's a small town, and even there, all the hotels were booked up suddenly because all the fans came to know that we are all there. So those 15 days, there was not a single room available for people to stay, and it's a great feeling that people love us so much all around the world.
तुम दोनों की हिम्मत कैसे हुई हमारे इलाके में आने की?
ओए इलाका कुत्तों का होता है, भैंड के टके, शेर का नहीं।
I think promoting a film has changed completely. Every day there's another way of promoting, and every day there's an extended version of promoting a film. So it really tires you out, especially us, because we're not so comfortable talking with the media and going out and talking about our lives. But now it has become a part and parcel, and now you have to do it more because people, the newer generation, is so used to being told than to find out for themselves. So you have to go out and tell people more and more, as much as you can, with anywhere you can. So I guess here I am today talking to you all, and I'm trying to let people know as much as I can that my film, which is a really good film, should be watched in theaters, not on pirated DVDs and VCDs, or downloaded from pirated sites on the net.